Hiyo, in this video, I'm going to discuss about how to create any custom object on Salesforce. Let's start. So, I just logged into dev.org on Salesforce, okay? And as soon as you will log in, you will land on this home page of setup, okay? So, what you can do, just click on this object manager over here. Just click on this, so you will be able to view all the objects available on Salesforce. I mean, both the standard and custom objects. One more thing, if you guys would like to understand like what is a standard object, what is a custom object, and more in detail, I request you guys to kindly watch my another video which is made completely upon standard objects, custom objects on Salesforce. Okay, now let's continue. So you can view here create button, right? Just click on this and just click on custom object. Yeah, so I am just providing some name, tester, testers. Okay, if you want you can provide some description. I'm just leaving as it is. Okay. Yeah, here one more thing. So here it's there, right? A record name. So what is record name? Record name is nothing but how it appears on UI. You can see here, right? The record name appears in page layouts, key list. So how our object appears on the UI. Okay. So that is the name. And another thing is what data type. So here it's asking us like every time whenever we are creating something, then it should be of text type or auto number. For example, if we are selecting auto number, so every time whenever we are creating some record which is based upon this object, then like it will be incremented. For example, display format, you can see here, right? They gave some example a this. So for example, if I am giving it as p 1111 something, okay? So starting number is 1 if I'm giving. So every time what will happen, whenever second time it's creating, the number will be 2, third time it's creating, the number will be 3, okay? So in this format actually this will happen, okay? And here we have another optional features also, like allow reports. Yeah, allow this object, allow reports. Yeah, so we should be able to create reports based upon this object. Allow activities, yes. So based upon this object, like if I'm selecting this tester object, and if any call activity happened, text, whatever email communication happens, those all we should be able to like perform, okay? And track field history, allow in chatter groups, means this particular object should, we should be able to tag in chatter groups also. So a lot of things are there, you can just kindly explore. You can see here, right? Again, allow sharing, bulk API access. So yeah, allow search. Yeah, this is very important actually. So if you're checking this only, then only like you will be able to search with this object on Salesforce, okay? And yeah, lot of other things are also there. See, add notes and attachments. So I'm, yeah, so I'm just clicking on save. Yes, so you can see here, right? A new object has been created. Now, just we'll go to Object Manager, and here I'll search with tester. Okay, so you can see here, right? See, this is the new object which I have created just now, and just look at the API name. It's underscore underscore followed by C. So already I have explained you guys that if for any custom object we are creating, it will be in this manner, API name underscore underscore followed by C. Okay. You can see here, right? It's custom object. Okay. Last modified and all. So now if you want to edit this, just click on this and click on edit. Okay. Yeah. See, if you want, you can edit any details over here. Okay. So guys, we just saw how to create an object, but we can add that object as a tab as well. Okay. So you know, right? For example, tab means what? If I'm navigating to sales, so these are the tabs. Okay. So if you want, you can add that particular object over here as a tab also. See, you can see here, right? We have accounts object. So these are like tabs over here. We can add our tester object also over here. So how we can do that? Just click on setup. Just search with tab over here. You can see here, right? Tabs. Let's click on this. Yeah. So we can just click on. Okay, so first let's discuss this custom object tabs. Yeah, means what, as I have already showed you, like if we are opening any console on the navigation bar, we can view, right, account, leads, contacts. So those are called as tabs. If we want, we can add our custom object tab also in that manner. Okay, that is the thing. Next, what are web tabs? Means if we are creating any web tab with the URL, then whenever we are clicking on the tab, it will be navigated to that page, right? So those are called as web tabs, and still we have Visual Force tabs, Lightning Component tabs. Okay, so let's just create one custom object tab. Click on New. Yes, so object, yeah. So tester, right? I just created tester. So select that one, tab style. So we can just select any tab style we want. So it's a tester. I'm selecting, yeah, helicopter. Okay, and if we want, we can provide any short description also. Then click on next. Yeah, so apply one tab visibility to all profiles. Okay, so we have different options over here. Default on. So it's like whenever you're opening any console, by default we can see the tab. Okay, on the home page. Okay, that is default. Default off means what, we cannot see it directly on the home page, but by just clicking on the arrow or by clicking on the plus icon, we should be able to view in the list. Okay, tab hidden means what, we want to hide the tab. Okay, so I'm just selecting default on. Okay, so if you want, actually you can select some few users only. Here I have selected all the users. If you want, you can select only system administrator, standard user. Okay, and just click on next. Yeah, here also see, like in which all consoles or platforms we want this tab to be included. You can see here, right? Like I just added everything. Like see, Salesforce tutorial tester, this was the app which I created earlier. Okay, so yeah, I'm including everything, and just click on save. Yes, so our custom tab got saved. Now let's check whether it's working or not. Okay, click on App Launcher. Just navigate to Salesforce tutorial app. Superb, you can see here, right? So this is the new app which I have created earlier in my earlier video. If you want, you can check that video as well, guys. That's a very cool video on how to create a Lightning application from scratch on Salesforce. Okay, so yeah, you can see here, right? This is the custom object which I have created just now, and this is the custom tab which I have added. Okay, so you can see here, right? So directly we can create anything we want, okay, from here. So in this manner, because we are able to view here directly. Why? Because I have selected default on, if you remember. So if we are selecting default off, what will happen, we here some plus icon will be shown. By clicking on that plus icon, we should be able to view this tab. Okay, so yeah, that's all, guys. So in this manner, we can create a custom object, we can create a custom tab, and we can select how we can view that tab on our application. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching this.